Yo, hey, man, yeah, huh? Man, hey, we on the way back to the hospital, man. I took a big risk because I had to come and get him and get him to my mom, and now the big day has arrived. The baby is coming, like right now, so I am stuck behind people on a 2-lane road trying to get back to the hospital. And this guy is, I'm not gonna turn. Please turn, dude. Thank you. So, yeah, man, the cam dog is stretched out right now. We on the way, man. We on the way. Anani is about to make her arrival, man. My Anani. So, yeah. I hit y'all when we get in here. You got a baby? You got a baby? Yeah. Come here. Come here. Look. Look, Nani, look, right there, look. Look, looking at the baby.
Okay.
What do you think?
Look, that's your sister.
You gonna keep her?
Yeah, it's my.
This your what?
You're just gonna check.
This your sister?
3 tears, okay, Mama?
What's her name?
Baby?
Spider-Man hands in the corner.
What's her name?
Name's the brother.
That's not your brother, that's your
I
sister.
think he needed a brother.
No, you don't need a brother. You got a brother.
Give him, just give him at least 5 months.
That's maybe mommy.
You see mommy? You see mommy over there?
Maybe it's mommy's baby.
Maybe mommy.
We official. We official. And she woke. Look, she already looking at the camera. She will show y'all. What y'all doing out there? So, I'll be back in a minute, man. She's doing skin to skin for an hour right now, so I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, look what we did. Look at that. Not even rain. Introducing Anani Lorraine.
Mama, I'm not gonna lie. The tape's the worst part, okay?
You open your eyes? No?
Yeah, you have.
Oh.
Behind me,
You
then
happy to
I'll
be out of there?
move it before I move. Alright, when you're ready, I'm just gonna
She happy to be out there.
might be a little sore, just working
Yeah,
them abdominal
yeah.
muscles. Alright.
Yeah.
Now, I recommend just doing one quick pull.
You hungry again?
You want me to go slow? Okay. Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
You want me to do the other?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it kind of pulls when you go slow. But the epidural coming out doesn't.
Man, that's crazy.
It's the tape though.
Like a wax.
Yep. Alright, might put some plug in and it's out. Alright, you may be back. Yes, ma'am. Told you tape's the worst part.
I'm holding the baby again. Wow, that's crazy how she look
You
like
want
my
me
other
back
boy.
some? Now that you're not holding her,
She
you're
look like Jordan.
comfortable.
I'm gonna put a picture in here. Like y'all see this? I'm gonna take a picture of her, and then I'm gonna take a picture of my other daughter, and let y'all see this. Like, this is crazy. my first rodeo. Beautiful. Alright, y'all. I'll y'all back. Let me go. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. Yeah, so we done moved to another room. Got us a little rocking chair over here. And we got
Mommy's here.
Mommy and Nani.
Mommy's here, Mommy girl. Mommy's here.
So now I'm about to go on a food run. I need to charge my phone, I think. Yep. I'm gonna go on a food run, man. Grab us something to eat. Is it? You ain't know he was down here, is it? It is? Okay. Oh, yeah. Right. Ooh, right next door to the cigar shop.
You want me to cry on?
Nah. It's Sunday. They probably gonna take that long.
Your stuff? You get your shorts and stuff?
They're running together.
You gonna go get them?
Nah, he said he gonna call me once he drop the kids off. He probably gonna bring it down here to me. But yeah, man, I'm finna go and get something to eat, man. So she can eat. And things like that. You gonna keep getting ginger ales from them, or you want me to get you a drink? Get a big one? Okay. I'll probably get one out of the machine or something. Out the machine? I ain't gonna be high here. I'll stop at the store. They probably gonna be at the same price though. I'll look, cause I seen a vending machine when I was walking out. So I'll look in there and see. Look, she looks up tired. Tired over there. You gonna be up walking around when I get back?
Not this big.
Okay, well, I shall return. And we gone.